We are Yoruba Nation movement. We want to show our solidarity in support of Burkina Faso president. So Yoruba Nation movement support Traorè. We give our support to Traorè. We give our support to Traorè. Yeah, Yoruba Nation movement support Traorè. We want to show Africans that we youth, we are ready now. We want to take our freedom back. Yes. Africa must be free. Africa must be free. No slave anymore. Yes. There is nothing like slave anymore. Yes. In our land. The Western world cannot continue ruling us indirectly. So, ọmọ ẹlẹ́ran kò tiẹ̀ wá rí egun gan jẹ mọ́, ó ti yé. So àwọn westerners wọ́n ti kó wa lẹ́rú tó pọ̀. A dẹ̀ rí Burkina Faso president pẹ̀lú nǹkan tó ń ṣe, ó ń tẹ́ wa lọ́rùn, bó ṣe nífẹ̀ẹ́ àwọn aráàlú ẹ̀, bó ṣe nífẹ̀ẹ́ àwọn èèyàn ẹ̀, tó dẹ̀ tún nífẹ̀ẹ́ ilẹ̀ gbogbo Áfíríkà pátá. Àwa Yoruba Nation movement I support Traorè 100%. Sure. 100%. Sure. 100%. Sure. Yeah. Ibrahim Traorè. Ibrahim Traorè.